Check down your maths classroom note and turn the new page and write today's date. That is 24/10/20. Saturday, SATURDAY, and this month is OCTOBER, October. And write the first Roman letter, mental sums. You should write the first 1 to 5 numbers. Okay. The first mental sum: 5,470 plus 10. 5,470 plus 10. And the second one, 6,000 plus 100. 6,000 plus 100. And the third one, 5,920 minus 10. 5,920 minus 10. And the fourth sum, all of you listen carefully and write, think and write. The difference between the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number is... The difference between the greatest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number is dash. And the fifth one, the sum of smallest 3-digit number and greatest 3-digit number is dash. The sum of smallest 3-digit number and greatest 2-digit number is dash. Have all finished? It's very good, students. Students, all of you check out your mental sum answer. And the first sum is 5,470 plus 10. So answer is 5,480. Plus means after. Okay. And 6,000 plus 1,000. So 6,100. And the third sum, 5,920 minus 10. So you should concentrate the tens place before number 5,910. Isn't it? And here, fourth sum, listen carefully. That is the difference between. Difference means minus. Difference means minus. The difference between greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Greatest 3-digit number. And smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is the 100. And the sum is the difference between the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number is. So difference means you have to minus, put the minus symbol. So 9 minus 0, 9, and 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 1, 8. So answer 899. Okay. And the third sum, the sum of means plus. Sum of means plus. Sum of means plus. Difference minus. Sum of plus. The sum of smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the greatest 2-digit number is. And the greatest 2-digit number. Greatest smallest 3-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. So the sum of means add. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 1 directly. There is no number to add. So you have to write directly. So answer 199. Okay. How many of them got full mark? Yes, very good, students. Today we are going to study about story problem. Okay, story problem. In keywords on subtraction. Already we studied the keywords on addition. What are the keywords on addition? Yes, putting together, altogether, in all, sum of, total, more than. Isn't it? These are the keywords on addition. Now, keywords on subtraction. What are the subtraction? Listen, all of you. Say, you have to repeat what I'm saying. Left, balance, difference, remaining, less than. Again, left, balance, difference, remaining, less than. Again, say the keywords on subtraction. Left, balance, difference, remaining, less than. Left, balance, difference, remaining, less than. Okay. Already we studied what are the memory tool, isn't it? What is the memory tool? GTSA. G means given. G is given, isn't it? Already you studied on the addition statements, isn't it? T is to find. T is to find. And S means solution. S is solution. And next A. A is answer. So again all of you, the memory tool is GTSA. G is given, T is to find, S is the solution and A is the answer. GTSA. GTSA memory tool of the GTSA means what are the headings under the statement sums? What are the headings? Given, to find, solution, answer. Given, to find, solution, answer. What are the headings? GTSA. What are the headings under the statement sums? GTSA. That is G means given, to find, solution, answer. What is the spelling of solution? S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Solution. So given. What are the headings under the each statement sums? Given, to find, solution, answer. And what are the keywords? Left, balance, difference, remaining, less than. Isn't it? Students, here one question is there. All of you read this question carefully. There are 7,527 oranges in a fruit shop. Out of these 2,619 oranges were sold out. How many oranges were left in the fruit shop? Okay. ஒரு பழக்கடையில் இவ்வளோ ஆரஞ்சஸ் இருந்ததாமா. இதில் இருந்து இவ்வளோ ஆரஞ்சஸ் என்ன செஞ்சிருச்சு, வித்துருச்சு. ஸோ பேலன்ஸ் லெஃப்ட் எவ்வளோ பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறதா கொஸ்டின். சரியா? இப்போ என்னெல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? இவ்வளோ ஆரஞ்சஸ் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இவ்வளோ வித்த நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ எவ்வளோ ஆரஞ்சஸ் வந்து லெஃப்டாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஹியர் ஒன் கீவேர்ட் இஸ் that is left. You have to underline. And next you should circle the number. You should circle the number. Again here the nearest number, what word is there? Oranges. So number of oranges. And here number of oranges were sold, isn't it? Here you should underline. And the next given, and the first heading is given. And what is given? Where you found, where are the numbers are there, you have to choose that. And the first number is here, what word is there? Oranges. So you should write the number of oranges. Number of oranges equal to 7,527. And the next statement, the next number where is there? And here. And nearest number, what are the words are there? Oranges were sold out, isn't it? So you should write the number of oranges were sold equal to you should write the same number and write the place ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. And the next heading, is in what is that? To find. And where you find out the statement under the to find? Yes, from the question. And where is the starting word? How many? How many oranges were left in the fruit shop? And you have to don't write the how many word. Instead of the how many question word, you should write the number of. So you should write the number of oranges were left equal to question mark. Okay. So you should don't write the question words, that is how many, what are, which are. Don't write the question words and take out the question word and write down number of oranges were left. Okay, and first statement you should where the number is there near the word, and the second statement where the next number near the word, that is the oranges, number of oranges. You have include number of, that is instead of number, and you have to bring the number here on the right hand side part. Okay, that is you have to write the number of, and the third heading is solution, and the third heading is solution. So solution is, what is the spelling of solution? SOLUTION. And the same statement, what statement written in the number of oranges were left, the same statement you should write in the solution part also. Number of oranges were left. Here you have to write the number 7527 minus 2619 equal to question mark. How you find out the, this is the statement subtraction sum? Yes, here one keyword is there, isn't it? So you should find out. This is subtraction sum. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So you should write the number and add the sums. Students, all of you find out the answer separately. That is, you have to draw the box separately and write the number in the some other again you have to write. That is 7527, 2619. That is minus sum means you have to find out where is the greatest number. Where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to cut the before number and write. And you should cut the number and write one before. You got the number 17. 17 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Isn't it? So 8. And here 1 minus 1. So the same number means answer 0. Here again, where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to cut the before number and write the before number. Before place you have to write the before number and cut the number and write the 1 before, and you got the number 15. So 15 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So answer 9. And where is the greatest number? Above. Above means you have to subtract directly. That is the 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4. So answer 4. And the last heading, answer. So last heading is answer. And what statement we have to write in that place? Yes, what you written in the to find and also solution, and the same heading under the answer. That is number of oranges were left. We found the answer, that is 4908. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. And here you have to find out, now one more time I will tell, you should find out the what are the keywords is there. Okay, then you should circle the what are the numbers are given. The numbers given you should write in the statement form as in the given heading. And then second one, to find, where you find out the statement statement to find statement, that is in the question, where they start the question. That is how many, which are, what are. This is the question words. How many oranges were left in the fruit shop. So you should find out the how many, question word. After question word, what are the words are that oranges were left. And these are the second statement. That is to find. Under the heading of to find, you should write the, don't write the question word. Instead of question word, you should write the number of oranges were left. The same statement also in the solution part. The same statement also in the answer part. In the to find part, you should write the only question mark. In the solution part, you have to minus and equal to question mark. And find out the answer means you should write separately and find out the answer. Okay, and do the sum separately. At last, you have to what number you got, what answer you got, that right you should in the answer part. Okay, this is the some statements, that is story problem, word problem. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, thank you. Students, all of you take down your maths class work note. Again, you have to write the second Roman letter. The heading is statement sums. The question is, there are 6,495 bags of rice in the godown. Out of these, 2,565 bags were sold. How many bags of rice were left in the godown? Okay, that is some bags of rice are there, and out of this, so இவ்வளோ bags of rice, அரிசி மூட்டைகள் இவ்வளோவான இருக்குது. ஸோ இதில் இருந்து இவ்வளோ நம்பர் ஆஃப் பேக்ஸ், இவ்வளோ நம்பரான அரிசி மூட்டை என்ன செஞ்சிருச்சு, சோல்டுன்னு என்னது, வித்துருச்சு. ஸோ இதுதான் அதனுடைய என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இதுதான் அதனுடைய என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, கொஸ்டின் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ஹவு மெனி பேக்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரைஸ் வேர் லெஃப்ட் இன் த குடோன். ஸோ எத்தனை பேக்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரைஸ் இன்னும் மீதம் இருக்குது, இதுதான் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, கேட்டிருக்குது. ஸோ இது given, this is to find. Okay, in the to find you have to search, is there any keyword is there, so you have to search it. Is there any keyword is there? Yes, left. So you should underline the left, and after that should circle the two numbers. Where are the numbers are there, you have to circle that. Here one number is there, again here another number is there, so you have to circle it. Okay, and in the nearest number there are words are there. What number in this number indicates bags of rice, so that you have to underline the bags of rice. And this number, second number, indicates bags were sold. Okay, so you should write you should underline that words also. Okay, and this is the sum. And the number, where are the number given, that is given. That statement you have to underline in the given. Okay, and you should write in the memory tool in the corner. GTSA. G means given. So in the given, and the number, first of all you have to find out where is the first number. Here 6,495, and it indicates bags of rice, isn't it? Bags of rice. You have to don't write the number first of all. Instead of number, you should write the number of, that is N capital O small letter dot, number of bags of rice, equal to, you should write the number 6,495. Immediately you should write the place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the second number, what words are there, nearest words are there. So this number indicates bags were sold. So number of bags were sold. And how many numbers? 2,569, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the second word is to find. T means to find. To find, where you find out the statement? Yes, from the question. In the question, how many bags of rice were left in the godown? So don't write the question word, that is the how many, what are, which are. So these are the question words, don't write the question words. Instead of question words, you should write the number of. You should write the number of. So number of bags of rice were left. So number of bags of rice were left, equal to question mark. Then third heading is solution. What is the spelling of solution? SOLUTION, solution. So again the same statement. What statement you have to written in the to find, you should write in the same statement in the solution part also. Okay, and in that part you should write the number, that is the what number given, 6,495 and 2,569. So you should write the number. Here only you should write the number and put the minus symbol and equal to question mark. Here you should take out these two numbers. It separately you have to do the sum. Okay, and the first number is 6,495. And the second number 2,569. This is the minus sum, means you have to find out where is the greatest number. Below means you have to cut the before number and cut and write the before number. And here you cut the number 1 before, already they give a number, so you got the number 15. So 15 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 6, isn't it? And where is the greatest number? 8. So above means you have to subtract directly. So 8 minus 6, 2. And here where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to borrow from the nearest place. You cut and write the before number. And here cut and write the one before. Already they give a number. So you got the number 14. So 14 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So 14 before, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So answer 9. So 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. Sorry, 2 in the finger. So 4, 3. So answer 3. That last heading is answer. In that answer, the same statement, what you written in the to find statement also should write in the solution as well as answer. Okay, so we got the answer, that is the 3,926. That is the number of bags of rice were 3,926. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, this is the, that's all. This is the statement sum. And students, all of you take out your Max book and page number 45. You have to do the sums from the page, exercise 10 from A to H. Okay, A to H. We should finish it. This is your assignment work, page number 45 from A to H. Okay, and after that you should finish the page number 48, the full page, and also page number 49, the full page. Okay, wherever you have to time in the next week revision time, you have to finish it in the up to page number 49. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.